Introducing the Advanced Witness Series, a WS-50050 Intellect torque tester, a revolutionary instrument that will transform your torque measurement processes. This cutting-edge torque tester from Advanced Witness Series combines precision, versatility, and user-friendly features to meet the diverse needs of assembly and quality control professionals. With a bidirectional accuracy of 0.25% of the indicated reading when used with Oz transducers, the Oz 50050 ensures highly precise and reliable torque measurements. Covering a torque range of 5 to 50 Oz in, this torque tester accommodates a wide array of low-torque applications, making it suitable for various industries and tasks. The Oz 50050 boasts a user-friendly interface with single-step access to all functions, allowing operators to navigate and utilize the device effortlessly. It offers 3 operating modes: track, peak, and first peak, providing flexibility to cater to different testing requirements. Equipped with a memory capacity for storing up to 999 data points and RS-232 output, the Oz 50050 facilitates efficient data management and analysis. Elevate your torque measurement capabilities with the Advanced Witness Series Oz 50050 Intellect Torque Tester. Its exceptional accuracy, versatile range, intuitive interface, and comprehensive features make it an indispensable tool for quality control and assembly professionals. Invest in this advanced torque tester and experience precision and efficiency like never before.